Hey guys, I thought I would share a couple of tips with the mattress cleaner with you today. I know we're all excited to see what's in those boxes. I promise I will get to that soon. But I was just doing this for a party and I thought I'd better share with you guys too. So the mattress cleaner, guys, is fantastic for these lovely things that we spend a huge amount of our lives on that we can't put in the washing machine. And they build up all kinds of nasty grossness in them over time. Your mattress can actually gain, I can't even remember how much, but it can gain like 15 pounds in the life of a mattress. Your pillows can weigh a whole bunch more after just months because the dead skin cells shed off and then they get into these lovely things, and then we are breathing them, we're inhaling them, and dust mites feed on them. Dust mites feeding on that organic material, and then they leave feces, dust mite poop, gross. And that is what causes most allergies that are happening for people, especially in the morning. You wake up, you're congested, you got to go blow your nose before you can get started, or you wake up and you start sneezing right away. That's the dust mite feces that is in your mattress and your pillows. So gross, totally. The mattress cleaner is going to get rid of that nasty stuff for you. So the mattress cleaner, guys, is an enzyme-based cleaner. The enzymes are the ones that are going to do the hard work, and it doesn't take much to do this to clean your mattresses. So you give this little a shake, and then you just spray your mattress. Like a queen-size mattress, usually 1 or 2 sprays. I just sprayed mine, so I don't really spray it again, but I'm letting it sit. I would usually give 3 sprays on a twin-size mattress because these are my kids'. Now, if you are cleaning your mattress and it's got really heavy stains in it, okay, it's the kids' mattresses, they've had some accidents, maybe somebody threw up, and you need to really get it clean, right? And want to remove some smells, grab your Forever bottle, grab your laundry detergent, put a teaspoon of laundry detergent in a Forever bottle with 16 ounces of water, okay? Shake it up really good, let that Ultra Power Plus dissolve, and then use this magic spray to treat the stains on your mattress. Just give it a little spray, let it sit for a few minutes, take your Enviro cloth and just kind of dab that out. It's going to help to break up those stains, lift them away, and then you can spray down with your mattress cleaner. When you spray with your mattress cleaner, you don't need to saturate the surface, okay? Just lightly spray it. Those enzymes are going to go to work. They are really going to just spread out and feed on all of that organic matter that is in your mattress and in your pillows. You can also use it on, these other big things that are soft and fluffy but can't go in the washing machine. These cute squishimals that everybody loves, but you can't wash. They say, do not put in the washing machine. You can use your mattress cleaner on them and get them nice and clean too. Same thing with these guys. If they get soiled and you need to wash them, you can spot treat them with your Enviro cloth. If it's a really heavy stain, use a little bit of that Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, scrub it clean, give it a spray with the mattress cleaner. So utilizing the mattress cleaner is going to help to remove all of that buildup, the dust mite poop that's in there. It's going to dissolve that. As those things, that organic matter is dissolved and going away, guess what's going to die? The dust mites are going to die. And then the next time you clean with your mattress cleaner, you're going to clean up those dust mite carcasses because the enzymes are going to eat all of that organic matter. So it can be super great for keeping your house cleaner, your beds safer and cleaner, and your home's healthier, getting rid of those indoor allergies, right? So any questions on the mattress cleaner, let me know, guys. This is amazing stuff and really lasts a long time because you don't have to use very much of it. Have a good day, everyone.